on the way, but not for everywhere. Some places in the UK, temperatures this week will be only a little bit above average, and there'll be a fair bit of sunshine around. But for some, the heat will continue, and particularly tonight, many areas again.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. I have a terrible feeling.
No warning, like a flash of light, and I was doing fine, but as you came in, I watched my future rewrite. I'm not ready, I'm not prepared. I was so steady on my feet, but now I'm up in the air, yeah. It's just you. Make me buzz like an astronaut. These feels I can't shake off. I'm in your orbit, and I will never drop. I'm so ready to take me as I am. I was so steady on my feet, but now I'm up in the air, yeah. It's just you. Make me buzz like an astronaut. These feels I can't shake off. I'm in your orbit, and I will never drop. I'm so ready to take me as I am. You're worth every penny, yeah, I'll pay all I can. It's just you. I'm not ready.